guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all the accessories that I bought for my iPod 9.7-inch 2018 version. So let's do a little mini unboxing thing. First off, I have the spare Apple Pencil tips. So since my iPod is like 1 year old, I need a new pencil tips. So I bought this after a year, but I still have a spare one from the Apple Pencil box. So I have 5 Apple Pencil tips extras. I'm going to get my Apple Pencil so that we can check. So here's my Apple Pencil. 2 sleeves here, which I bought from Shopee. These sleeves are made of silicone, so let's check it out. So this is from China, obviously. So I bought it at a cheap price. So, okay. This is so cute. Have a little piggy over there. Pig. One I bought is in pink. So, oh, I like this. I like the pink one. It's cuter. So I have it. So I don't think. Wow, it fits very well, huh? There you go. See, it's so cute. Ah, a little big. And this one is for the adapter. So I think you all know what the adapter is. It's for you to charge it. It's like the mini one. I'm so afraid to lose that because I don't want to charge my Apple Pencil on my iPod since the battery of the Apple Pencil wears out faster. Airpods! Yes, I know this is not connected to the iPod, but since I want to unbox this, this is my new AirPods, but this is only the Gen 1. So this is from Bahrain. My mom bought it for us. Wait. Tagal. Yun. I really love the boxes of Apple. Actually, I am kind of hoarding the boxes. I don't throw it out. I actually keep it. So we have this designed by Apple in California, AirPods. For the AirPods, I'm going to unbox it. So, as you can see, I also have the cable, which is, I think, is sulit naman. I have so many cables since I have so many Apple products, and I'm going to keep this one as a spare. AirPods cases. I have the AirPods cases. Yeah. So I bought this from Shopee again. So I'm kinda Shopee-holic. Then, mura kasi ng mga bagay sa Shopee kaysa sa Instagram. Kaya, mas go-to ko ang Shopee, guys. So, I have this MILKY. It's from China. So, if it's from Shopee, it's from China automatically. So, this one is so cute. We have this ring or this one. Catch it. Yeah, that's it. I don't know why I bought this banana. It's so cute. Pero this one is heavy. It's also silicone, but it's heavy and bulky. This Milky also is heavy and bulky. It's so cute. I have a banana. Ta-da! It's so cute. Third one, it's a Yakult. Parang Yakult Dupe, pero banana milk. Parang in-order ko ata avocado. Yeah, avocado yung in-order ko. Hindi banana milk. Oh my God, Shopee.
Hindi, yan yung in-order mo. Akin yung avocado na.
Okay. So, fit natin Sana hindi mahirap. This is cute. Oh my God, guys. It's so cute. Pero ayoko ilagay mo na ito. Oh, it's so cute. So now we have this box. Is this an iPad? That's joke lang. This is a case for my iPod. So, tanggalin muna natin yung sa case. Pygen pala yung case nito. So, since ayoko na bumili ng mamahalin, Shopee na lang tayo. Shopee. Guys, bagong linis. So, I have Space Gray 128 gig. Okay. So, yan. Diba? Artsy-artsy kasi ako. So, charap lang. Sa Skillshare ko siya nakuha. Yan! Bongga! Ganda! Ganda ng packaging Tago ko ba yung box? Sige, lagay natin yung Lagay natin yung Spygen ko dito. Pero babalik ko siya din sa case ng Spygen talaga. Salamat, Shopee! Ang dami ko na pamili. Yeah, broke ako eh. I'm so broke! Wow, ang ganda ng case. So, umaangat pa rin yung screen protector ko. Kasi sa Shopee ko binili yung screen protector eh. Tapos, hindi siya pantay dun sa iPod. So, it's not the exact cut. Pero yung ratings ko dun kay seller is 5. Since it still has the matte finish that I'm going for. Since I'm drawing on Procreate and Affinity Designer. Yan. Okay naman. So sleek And then I have this. It's so cute. Everything's so cute. See, I have the Apple Pencil tips done. Cute. Everything that I bought from Shopee is so cute. So, hindi ko binili sa Shopee yung Airpods, guys. Galing yun sa nanay ko. Ulit ko, lahat ng accessories that I bought is from Shopee except for the Airpods. It was bought abroad. Okay. Kasi mas mura doon. Okay, so that's it, guys, for my accessories. Let me know what you want to see, what content you want to see, and I'm happy to do it for you. So thank you, guys, and see you again for the next video. Hopefully it will be out soon. And yes, thank you.